Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi 13 Lite, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from the SIM card to the phone. So, to get started, you will want to open up the Standalone Contacts application located in the Google folder. From here, click on the three bars right here, and then select an option that isn't here actually. So we're gonna tap right here, Fix and Manage. And then you wanna select Import from SIM. This will then display all the contacts that are on your SIM card. Now it also automatically saves the location to, well, if you are logged into a Google account, that's what it's gonna select, but you can tap on the drop down and also change it to, for instance, this device, or maybe other Google account that is also logged into this phone. Now I'm gonna be selecting this device. From there, import. It asks us the stupid question if we want to remove the contacts when we copy them to our phone. I do not recommend doing so. The reason for that is the contacts will never get in your way. You can just not see them when you don't need them. But by keeping them, you still have some kind of safeguard that if something would happen to your phone, maybe you need to switch it out. You need to take out a SIM card and you don't have an option to back up anything that's on it because maybe your phone just broke, but obviously SIM card is still fine. By removing them, you would lose these contacts, but by having them still on a card, you can pop it into a new phone and automatically have all your contacts there. So I'm going to select Keep. This will then import all the selected contacts, and when you go back, you should be able to see them right here. Now, as you can see, I did select a different location. By default, it was showing me the contacts that are on my Google account, but by tapping right here, you have also option to switch it to this device, SIM card, or any other Google account that you are logged into. So, with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.